Memwa kwa Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade so mehu se wa ye wild fa ya ofesa o hwe next match no mesro pass we so obema na eho hia fi se woni enkwa beda na afcon akoso a wo betimi ahwe bie ye board ye so na adampam ti mesro pa memma board no nye wadwin bebre mo so na ye ntie Nkwa Hia na ye suade ye hwekon ye befa so na hypertension ye be control no ye de ye nuane a ye die e be control no na wo beti se nkomo no ekosoa no odokota pani a wono so senyenya me na edi ne ho afu sane ne nimdi a wonimu a wono so ne blood pressure ko should say ye team obehye an experience say be ya wo behunu sade na ye kana e real na it may happen to obia depending on how we live style no lifestyle no enti entina free sabre ko sise no so ebebo apa media fia amankwa tamakloshe Facebook Adom Facebook/Adom ubenya yen ewo ho na ye ne wodi nkomo wo follow afia tamaklo so Instagram now the questions go ha be ya no na Facebook nso saa ye dem wo ho YouTube nso ye gu ho na se Nkwa Hia no ba bia ye wo ho fasida emma ya boafo anajo mosquito ko anwumre yi sentontom ha wa adwen pa wo de so anajo mosquito ko no esi ho simadunum nu wasa ru bekum tontom ni nyina no wada thanks to you computer clinic ye dawase papa paudi no honam se yare bia adokro wo ko thanks to you computer clinic ne ko hye said wo pomuden ho nsam no etie page 1 salon and wo masiesie me pe na me de me body ni nyina ko page 1 and from head to toe wo ma ye pa pedicure wo atwi me na ho pa no wo ye obi a wo da wo be so na be shiti every mpano so na say wo nanti ho no problem aba ho so until ko page 1 a e twi ne kama na ho betwia ma ene wo mo address me pa me nails nyina wo mo Adom mobile ventures and style me ntino Miss Goldie and one my dress coming me ne Dr. Benjamin Nuakon and enumre ye babedi enkomo clinical nutritionist and oba be boy edi nkomo ye kwaba ye ba ye be kasa Obabiem do ba Nkwa Hia so ya me hu wo say taxi drivers ne trofo mo atwetwe wo mo ka achie se Nkwa ne hia eyampa o ene ne ye de aya apomuden no Nkwa Hia so woni nkwa obeda atenase so nti ese wo nkwa de ehun hia 24/7 and the topic no me say controlling hypertension aduane na wo die no ebetimi a control wo hypertension wo moja bro so no this is Dr. Benjamin Nuakon oba ha na obi ani age me dey at work ne to ho no oh doctor we me penasem me so me penasem pa o abotre say o kan gidigidi na o do na mboko dog enyime ya mu ajo
afia me joso
na bibia boko de
yankopa
doctor pe pressure hey hey
na be pressure dey senye
oh na so man pressure me do a jank menya BP
oh really
nanka pressure na de mami na o sende na me yese atanya bo sende mre no beson
say am to nkache esa tambia me to nka
yo dog go better menka and now say ye ni nkomo hwekon ye be fa so a ye be control hypertension doctor and a young one sini nyina blood and say blood pressure kosoro na nke enim setete na empanimfo wunya wo 60s no ho kona na eba so na de nkumankuma kwankumankuma nyina wanye careful a wanko check obekona na 120 100 ne 120 130 na say kojo to ano no ye kase hypertension a wo de ma fan free eye nsan yare and say hereditary
yeah fear me das ma mincha etifo nyina
before obeka ye kase hypertension pese me hu sa question say eye busuan yare ana
yes enyansa yare nemum run it through families
okay
but no say o papa na o ma minya bia se ne tie bia no se onya bia
okay
nti ebetumi abase o ma me o papa genes no na wanya but interest say ba ena obi o ho a o papa obi o ma me obi obenya bi ne senti ne say enuane a o ma me eye ema abusua no eno na wadi afi ne nkwada brem nze ye nuane a eto fa hypertension fapema wanya gene no eno asenya foundation lifestyle no nti sa nipa no obinya 2 enam se aduane ye de atete no enti no onyini a se aduane no anso eno ope on se net no nti no na obeto aso edi nti yes run it through families or sakwa no so
okay that is say enunti na ye se bie bi beka say hereditary na bibi self said ye detete wo no edwo na nso wunyini a na wo ba befa but enkyere se ewo abusuan mu automatically wo nso benya bi se wo hwe wo yi a wo wunya bi yo ene ye mre wo bisa
yo their friend no say phenotype phenotype no ye o genes plus your environment and a yawo the genes are the mao and the environment a bit too mu we did the wonom any other no and a ma a yawo into genes no kwent me fama
okay adofo we ubejai akwa match ana o se utie bi se betimi afa ho betimi so afa me ho ebi ana wonim ene ye be wie no no hu ne wo se wo ye wo blood pressure enkosoro se the doctor kana ebi ana wo abusuan mu then so hwe wo hu yi a wo no nya bi ene wawu enye ne beku wo ene ku nkra nketoa because pressure wo man mu pa djuma wo ko traffic correct me ma pressure so hu nti sa ne market ngeti we wa nhwe na wo ye obi so won tan check here one day ti gum afa wo ba ko ye say ko ye hu ne ntam asa wo de na me mpese bi beto me no mi no ti e wo se ebreko na ni mu no wo ho a menim se do bosumi bia na 3 months bia nke check na every day.
Oh, David. So we be there and so checking every day.
We be about
yeah. So yeah, always say send our canon. Very very important because your son friend silent killer.
And okay. Akoshia wo kolebo kan. Me day at work it was a share silent killer. E be kun slowly but now we nim kra.
That's right. And no na me you no yes am 14 no. Because you be a friend say asymptomatic. Say and more symptoms bia omo munyan kaibo no na bia directory ansa na yayi nti oya branch onam ho koba oya baba okoba na nsusu no na o pressure no ko niema de pressure no ba no na o build no up kakra nti that could be no team na we free mu na ya what a shock gone too soon and it's any man yeah e didi eni enom no nti e didi eni enom no na e dey ba no na no anso na e dey solve
yes dey solve nti na enya wo ha ya ba be boa ye nti e dey na dey pressure na ba
all right eni e me dey ba no e do so kakra e di ka genes no ho asem nti o ma me no papa de um de ma no e factor
okay
the tosu bi mienu no e sex so ye be ma ene oba no oye bema memma ne tanya more a chen emma enam yes nam hormones ne ne mebinti nso ho and afi bi to say smoking so num cigarette and also so utumi enya tumi de pa ye tosu bi ye stress nso so etumi e de ba stress ne de ya ye say ye pom ha de ye kese pa stress no afi ye diet ye duane a ye di nuane bi te se sade nuane a sade piwo mu anwane sa ne manema no edeba na afi asichire sugar so di asichire pia eno nso so obetumi anya hypertension no na afi bibi te se ukoto aduranom se be ya obe kese bebre unse Ghana for ebrebi atwamu no na Ghana for ye sade no koto aduru se be ya obetumi didi mo na wetuma ya kese afi mema o mu ye kese mo mafu ye kese a se wanya sikadru sika fru yes ka fru no eno so ebetumi ede aba ti sane maneme enema ya na ede hypertension no ebe ye pafi
sedentary living no ayi Hamdia Abdallah kra ebebusa ye say please can too much oil used in food preparation cause hypertension
yeah say oil no you mu ahoro
okay
you mu ahoro miensa you the brunifre no saturated fats and your mono unsaturated and your poly unsaturated. Saturated one no wouldn't appear to me the pa. The and say a browdy oil no be brain no. And many pediano produce cholesterol P or liver no. A year cholesterol be bray or they baby oil no didn't pee no juma. So and the more we use oil on P no more no and not oh yeah cholesterol no be bray. And as our cholesterol no so door swan and no na coffers hypertension no ebano. Na hypertension no ye wono ahoro pii ana can say stages kra the bia obon say o BP no yesusu a normal one ye 120/80
120/80
yes,
normal one
normal if you cry there 110
like 120/.
No 110/80 and so yeah now 110/70 best and this one na best
There na was a problem na see there no ho.
Bia was renye. Bia was renye. Into be na a few 120 na e konanim adu be say 140. Na che say o kostro no. Na o kona akọ. E ko do bibi to say 180 num sade na che say o ya benya stroke and as a heart attack. Into stages are. Na ye wona horo pi. On say ye bebu po niema so unya hypertension one control de ba e bit is a kidney ye be ho ti trotro okay ye wo hypertension to make of a kidney problem enso ba e bi ho a intinu a emoja efam ko kidney no mu no se musha se esisi a esuso etumi ema moja dodo e ko kidney mu ntumi nko etumi ma onya kidney problem. You see, hypertension, one idea back where one and then soon so back on say wait to ammonia kidney problems. And the kidney does no hypertension can. Hypertension is one control bit ammonia a knee problem.
A knee say be frana.
When you bet to me a fra, yes. When you be with
stroke
there be when you be with no, but one control bedroom baby. Pressure by when you know. So one say when you know soon kitten was so supply when you know with blood I mouth me who are dear.
Okay.
In this a cobasa santri no a one soon kitten no cholesterol the demne musisia moja continue when into me who are dear. Sir. Hypertension between lead to paralysis say ube to me ajujokra. Hypertension between a kum. Hypertension between the stroke and so abba. So into a idea say if you ye hypertension a between a ma when your heart failure. Hypertension between a ma when your enlarged hearts are commanded to me hono. And ya dear as I say you did
and I adian so who sign bia and what I say
and only idea hydrogen so who sign bia na de no koso tina esas yesu de obi antin ye na enema obetumi aye e de abo ho ba no ye before it's too late
so wo kire ye wo be kire ye nioma say wo de why dietitian de ye nuane no na e be say yare
yes with the nuane no na e de ba sa won say sana me boss no sa anwa bebre Ghana fodi anwa more oye nhwehwemu oye US blacks na US no and whites no blacks nya more hypertension esne whites no so you know an here so
e pede anwa gine
anwa no dos
so we na anwa ne ya na nya akono
but so di akono nso achi a obewu brain so nema bebre be call wrong hypertension so ba ko nso so yes impotence yes and Ghana for a lot of people
akodru hozo
oh yes now want to say omubo memadru hu da bebre and then the make of by hypertension unya hypertension na abema ubenya erectile dysfunction okay because emoja nko na ba
ti ejina
sa inti
sa no na a block no
esa inti ade di kan a esese nyina ebo modern say betimi asi ano na ebe control cholesterol level o cholesterol dodo o hospital na ye fa moja esese cholesterol no ye less than 200 but enipa kakra bi enom cholesterol level no ye less than 200 nipa kakra bi
okay
Ghana for cholesterol was through because you dear one be brain to producing be brain any one we ani bia cholesterol san wo mu sade nam enam bia sade wo mu no sade na saturated dada na cholesterol nso san wo mu bibi to some milk nso so milk fat wo mu sade wo mu na cholesterol san wo mu kosua sade wo mu na cholesterol san wo mu
enti me anyim kosua
enti ni would see esua de enti afia na
me mienu bi see ese kosua nso ye enti e
de mienu a de mienu e too much afia
asemuni
cause on say yes hypertension no cholesterol ni ade a yenhwe ni ye enti won pese obedi nuane a cholesterol wo mu na ama wo de a wo ye no adoso in fact cholesterol no how kesia the hypertension neighbor. What happens ne say once a more your cholesterol no and I wouldn't near cholesterol no a comoja no ne moja no circulate na echin na edida intrinum into to meet the baby say koda intinia di moja call na no ho a your friend intermittent claudication abasa no a moja ntumi nko na ho yi na na ayi titriti ti druba be won sa say ananse achime moja ntumi nko na deba
okay
se moja dodo enko kidney no ho a obenya kidney problem baby a moja nko bia no problem ba ho ntina me kan say mema ensu tumi nya problem enzi se moja ntumi nko akoma no ho yi a eno so your friend no cardiac ischemia moja enkwa akoma no ho ye cardiac ischemia enti entumi nkwa akoma no ho ye a eno no bi o ha tese akoma ye oya ebi o ha sa
akoma na wo he wo ha ne wa
o o ha e wo mfimfi kakra mfimfi kakra tse kobenkum kakra sa moja ntumi nko ho a ofro abrosan kakra bi a na wa bre eno ye nkabo a kirewo se moja ntumi nko akoma no ho ye so enti cholesterol misre etiefo nyina so bia nko check ne cholesterol ade a yenta anye no ese check ye cholesterol o check na say less than 200 let's just say
okay
if 200 ekobia no enye
okay
in fact Professor Campbell omu koye study bi o China friend China diet study na rural China won cross or China cholesterol level 70 60 70 so enti hypertension bini ho enti baby a cholesterol no cholesterol no hypertension na cholesterol because the ebeni akoma no pompi moja as the moja no ko wa hrawa no mu lungs no mu na akwa pick oxygen akofa inframa na asa ba akoma no ho ansa na akoma no aba be distribute aba chiche inti se akoma no the moja ko lungs no mu na se moja intrinkitin wo lungs no mu no cholesterol de na mu sisi a moja no ntumi nko lungs no mu na akwa kofa oxygen no inti de eba ne se akoma no yire no ho se be bokese be pompe kese de ahoden se be ye betumi akwa kofa enframa no inti cholesterol de ese hwe ni yepa de toso bio cholesterol betumi adeda entrinu a supply akoma na nkese moja no cholesterol tumi de dem sa cholesterol de da sentinu mu a akoma no ankese nya moja dodo ohia otuma ye adwuma nti ese ehye no so ne hwe ne ye bio cholesterol ebetuma de da entinu a de moja ekwa adwene no mu no e wontini kese bi ewo high friend carotid artery ene wontini no bebre wa adwene no mu se cholesterol de demu a Emma emoja dodo a sese kwa adwene no mu ne mframa dodo ese kɔ no entumi enko nti misre se cholesterol die ese hwe ne ye
ese hwe ne ye adofo Nkwa Hia na o hwe Adom TV so fisa break osi se no nso bebo apemu no ne yen entna mabna do ho amankwa ne de ono so anyambra wo hwe bi ono awi nkosua paado so mu amienu no ozo ayi pintin anu nso aguso na so okọ nanim ti mabna be bia wo bia nso ye chia o ye behwe na Sarah director wa fre Dr. Nyakute Obu na fei ono so abehwe na experience ho doctor sankenye nimde no wo mu a ka by now aye finua ke de how pa de bebre me fi se mi hia doctor abribia fasida e ma yaboafo abribia mbo ye chidom na nso nya kwan hwe bie nti se wo adwaton de bia pese ye mo ho dawro e wo Nkwa Hia so a na ne wo fra ye line si na yabodawro no de amaw aseda no ko amma anajo mosquito ko entuntum aduro tatahwe ba ko a ye wo eno no besro ye nya bi na fakum tuntum bia na yentu achidi no ase mabi nyon wai wonya bia store na ben wa kra kwa so pe anajo mosquito ko obenya bi na de kunkum tuntum no thanks to you computer clinic doctor ya chia wanumre wo mo osuhu kua no e ko na obehu thanks to you computer clinic ya wie ye bubo bodin hypertension ye kan ho asem se ye diabetes ana so ba obu nsa wote yawo ya wie be na house typhoid mpa o de ko thanks to you computer clinic na yentime hwe ni pedua mu na ye moawo anumre hye no so se ye ne doctor nuako Benjamin Nuakon, clinical nutritionist, our war Prince Emmanuel, Eba. Clinic. And na AD Nkomoyi. On the dear, ye come once someone and say, we're doing dear mo. I don't want to hear no exercise. It's a no, ye share Duanina, ye DNA cum yeno, a Duanic one, a doctor say, ye bet to me so, a dear boy who buying a free hypertension, a home. For page 1 salon, and next, and no crowing, who watchna, Yami Adoma, after church, coho. Womunyo nails and now you tea kama. It's really when me ye de appealing crown or hunting mothers now my girls. One more mutini say, Unza Mua Yanika kama. Mamma Yanzu your town. To Musum bet me abo said my boy. For page 1 was 0544 3191 57 0544 3191 57 and all back with ventures and so. Baby I would be a friend now Mr. Low. The hundred pa friend was 0547 264 268 0547 264 268 na odonso en stylo antema wo page 1 enumre mechia wo na adwuma phone ni na me kase me body na me jobi a ahia me ba ho a mo na me beko dog ya di nkomo bebre na yaka ebre pe pa no bi e be se wanya hypertension age
okay yen shadan ni say just ready 70 years and son when
so I said the age no but I said those days nanka at least
yes those days under normal circumstance no nanka wunyini a nanka bia wuntini no emu yeden eye bare kakra tinka wunyini and son wenya that's the normal but nenu de antisa emrantie enya mrabahwa enya enam your lifestyle any edidie ya nom ne sanema no
the lifestyle ntade hye mu ana se de asema se life na de
your lifestyle no edidie ne ya one se ne ka no ena afisu so on se kan ne nke bia nipa onyini ansa ne bia wasifie bia na se ya nemrante no penitente
nyam tentemo doctor 2 years na so na renew 2 years now so na renew to be a word person at least
ninyina ka ho yes pressure
Sarah mpacho yam frɛ doctor na won share doctor wo so dog mpacho minchwa no yenko unia doctor ho a nyanya meni ni nyansa mu anka menti asempa dog anwumre yam wajo
yo bedawase
doctor Nyakute Obu ene ye ne ka sa anwumre
yo bedawase na mechia Adom for TV4 so chef nyina Nkwa Hia for chief nyina ani chef nyina mechia mo nyina
omojo so doctor na doctor anwumre ye di nkomo afa ekwan a ye befa so na ya bre hypertension ase na me sende ubie no nyame anim ni we chese wujitu mu se yade a wo behwe na wunya kra nka wo ha bi he said just be 2 weeks or a week ago wo do ho picture nyina sende e de na see ye
Yo, me da say, very important. Me ankasa me home topic for discussing, and then I am it's very interesting to me because the black community in ankasa never be taking it very serious. In fact, younger even apomodin for people who are very intellectual, learned people. In fact, even advocates, advocate my yare, be na crown, be Mancasa promoting crown, I'm taking it serious. Now, the first banker, BP Nissan, and my say, pena it may affect you.
Dog, we no Dr. Nyako at the Yakoho, if I see you war as a doctor, no. A bit sure.
Yes, the majority of me who say a stress. Oh, go for be or me classy our computer home because I'm very more interested. My interest in research. Into bit me classy air research. I copy something around 12, between around 1-2. And see, there was a build up. It's along the line. One day, I was just walking through and I realized, now I'm in some chest pains. There's a nearby clinic, Nkwa Hia clinic hall, and I make call. The call you check with BP, the BP now around 230 over 130.
Hey,
230, 130. They're very high. So quickly. And then doctors said this is just a case of hypertensive crisis. And at that particular point in the day, now very, very, very high.
Yeah.
It is so lucky. Now my other colleagues, one Dr. Bennis, or one of the finest medical doctors, one of the senior doctors, and our friend, other medical doctor, and ammonia, they were having that interaction. So what actually helped me say, as quickly as possible, and then we integrate the practice because my background is in natural remedies. Into any conventional one, and the natural one, in fact, just within 24 hours, that was on Sunday. Then the following day, around that was on Sunday, into Monday by almost 6 to 7 a.m. And I stabilized the year from 230 to 120 to almost about 150 over 100. So it was very impressive. And I'm be coffee. It be coffee, what I did and helped me again was to the same integrative approach that I used here in more conventional medicine, and I was using the natural medicine, and then I exercise so the car. And within 3 days, I was able to reduce the BP from 230 over 130 to say in about 120 back to 80, which is normal. 80. One thing I realized, go for people yenda. Stress is very important. Bibi a higher bibi. Go for people transfer, especially those in academia and research and all that. I'm to be so the whole day because all your interests will focus. You want to publish papers. Especially academia, they also publish papers, but you have to write articles, write books, and all that to educate. Then at the end of the day, we'll say, oh, yeah, now one casano. So along the line, we should say, could it be said, so there's a problem? It will be track it down. I realize, say, my father, and then I call my father. And then I track it back also. And I say, my mommy, BP one home. And then quickly, what I did was me check me junior brothers me one woman, and I realized I'm BP no so air coso. So quickly, and I knew no, there could be a family connection, and a family connection, and then your lifestyle as well. And everything I will be seeing, and then once I will be seeing and the lifestyle, I will say ocean as early as possible to deal with it. That was exactly what happened.
Hey,
our case, Anka Obia said. Only media was what Uncle Don says the panel na my say on the panel bill na say the panel and the panel pet on the bill. And say bibia more different girls. It's about time I say na your born who dear Ruama. Now beer who say a very important bibia, especially black community, never more than I share solve it. Say the best is to have to solve it, so our doctor I can be but to have the integrative approach, integrative medicine is the best way to be able to manage your BP as early as possible. As a complications need also. ha bet no what can be as a be ho ana how
dog ye nyame asepa ma kra se se wani ada ho wo ya doctor de enso no na wo the research ne de wo mse wo de da wo de ye bibia me hu de men ka ba wo kan integrative medicine e de ho no de na wo ye
good yeah integrative medicine obi wo ho a like median happy because at that time of 230 120 you know as early as possible no I was almost stabilized and mommy obronia drew into me and then with me and kasami background and research into the natural medicines you know the use of garlic in fact hibiscus the hibiscus tea and I incorporated into the hibiscus tea with only the hibiscus there were other remedies together like ginger like garlic be formulated into a hibiscus tea nyakote tea into me the corporate tea of a donor hospital for the mama no and no yen and no as early as possible no let me stabilize BP as early as possible the integrative approach to healthcare no is the best sometimes no
ya baba hono ba ne wona yenya wo no nyame adom wafiri mu afie advice wunuanom academians no ene young ones na ene obi apese esini ye so no po ne family na anye ye no no de ode ba ne do pese ye yakasa ma advice be 1 minute
yo ni American omunyina say those both academia health work accommoding for nyina obia no we say wankasa no o bo hu deru o ye research o cho books o ye bibia no so no as early as possible I say every day bia na say obomodi anya BP machine bi na check it onya any triggers onam na bia onya chest piece and I say with some numbness and all that some of the key signals you know I was say obomodi local hospital as early as possible. That is the only way. That is the only solution I bet me as save you because someone in fact go for the breakana omo 90 omo BP were high but omo
nim yada se papa yada se dog say one can share na de wafemu no nso wa be share ma Ghana fo hunu say ye kan no enim ohiani ene enim osikani na enim doctor ene enim ordinary person bia wona mo betimi happen to bia ni nyina gina lifestyle ene nieba bia ye doctor nyakote obu anwumre yada se papa bresem onso ye benya na afa ye no wonso atoa or research ahodo aya wo ye ewapom demo yada se papa doctor nyakote obu na odon so abe share an experience just 2 weeks or a week ago and of fair musa utia 200 130 there hey nyame dog nyame
because
nyame pa senye so wo munim there and ohu ye no se fa onu ankwa
nyame because they do that point intini no bi o ha brain no mu de no ya fe bibi aneurysm intini no etimi ahono bebi tumi hono unya hypertension inti say hono sa anke do 200 no 230 kono ke bitumi apai or ebi o ha senke cholesterol nga kuma no ho ye wo bibi afrene say embolism clot to me eba ni pedua no moja no botwa na na moja mu na ekona eba nti ekoloko akuma no baby a ntini e supply akuma na nkese moja unya heart attack enwa no so nti ade esese ehwede
ye hwe ni ye dog anti yemra ye na ye de no na kwan a ye controlling no ye clinical nutritionist de so ye nuano no me say doctor kan kakadu ne garlic fabi eka homa ye but mama ya eja ayensu so ye queen mother na nyure ye chia so wajebre na ohwebi oni abusua no onwo a ye hwe Dr. Rachel so ahwehwe ni we ono ane de mama ye se me sa bakra for review na ye hwe de konti Dr. Rachel so me chia wanyumre emma wo ajo sanso clear nti wa kwatin nso ye midwife penny wo agogo ye chia wa bna mankwanso ye posi ewo ejeso me chia munyina dog
yo
ye na ye ni na ye be control no
nuane no do so be pray na basically no fruits ne vegetables ni nyina ye
fruits ne vegetables
ni ye ye wo citrus fruits
So wo de ayine bai nti yem say ombe yine ahwe
citrus fruits no
ya nge pe na physical na ekura na ye hwa na ye hu obi anim
anka na busuafo ni nyina very good.
Okay,
what happens na say intri na moja famu a enya problem a onya hypertension no ye wa ibi friend collagen sa collagen no wudi anka ne hunuane no ascorbic acid na wo vitamin C no we nu nyina was screen so no eye
na we na wo can see any man the crow
spinach we can ho mako ti tro spinach
time ni ntino
natural avocado pear good blueberries na na kranya miado me di blueberries
na odi nkwa na odi wa me be ozo nim za wo ba do
mo koko ewo almonds ewo pomegranates and so ho
we nye benya bi organ
ni nyina bi organ ha
wo de auto wa here
meto here afi Brussels sprouts it's a cabbage nkitwa no ni nyina eye na me kan ka de no inti sa collagen no nuane eye anka busuafo no ema eye strong ni nya ahoden inti enya problem
bana Paul you say on say fruit ni bi oho no ma your blood groups no e bi oho a enye mo no kore
obia wontini ena obia so moja fa ni ntrim inti asa so obia build ne cell endothelium no ya ntini no adrade bi dramu na ya friend endothelium no asa ohwe ni ye se honka ye toso bio spinach me ka setro spinach no a very good papa adibi wo mu a e friend no nitric oxide in fact nitrate into so dia na intasuo ne enzymes no e woni peduma converting into nitric oxide na the nitric oxide ne ne say e boama intinu mu bie kama very important obi a person avoid hypertension bia make sure say intinu mu bie kama moja no fem into spinach di na more nitric oxide ne bie intinu again aduane ba ko esa so bie intinu mu ye beets and also so nitric oxide no won bebre afa o hwe na avocado ewo ho pear and also ye papa
me obi oho me kwa
good pear very good one sade wo mu no oleic acid wo mu omega 3 fatty acids wo mu ena afensu so pear nan kese ete low density lipoprotein eno ne sade no anasa cholesterol type no a the hypertension and the dentrimu ementinu si a bronifren atherosclerosis no the more would pair no na eyi sa cholesterol no a ededa the dentrimu no efi ho
you say the biodia na pen unyan de
eba season na yes the fat na wo mu ne ye or research no 1960 1992 umsa ya research nti very very good.
Okay, honorable kwabna minka akando eche wani me so waje bre na wo hwe ye pa honorable fresh wo kwatena se amun sore nti ye se so hwe zena so wo ye balloon me fini din wo Dreams in Ghana Limited so waje bra wo hwe da mase papa se mu nyina so mo hwe dog enti o
yeah nti sanuane boss no nyina very important ena de ba ko bi wa ye bre no ya na ma no contem
me na me ma no kwa na dog no
so and fruits ahoro ni nyina ye good sana mekan fruits ni nyina ye fruits yen hye da ndi fruit as a meal.
Okay,
mine yen say wadi dia me no we no wadi ba ko bi aka
wodi
yeah so di heart muscle na nke say hia hoden B vitamins eboa produce energy or heart no ma bibia kama again potassium inuane eboa papa yi bibi tse kwadu potassium go mu more esase ye di na pen na nkesa so potassium ewo mu esase ye bomodin se be di fruits ahoro ni nyina ye good se di na nya potassium na nya magnesium no na fe nya nitric oxide na chesa akoma no tumi ye na dwuma kama the tosu bi wa se bomodin se be ye exercise ohun say doctor na kasa nyo no kwa in fact research e wo ho kire say Oko America, doctors say oh no, ntem echen general population. Aye, adwene bi a wo yemu doctors mu say wonimade no, na adwene say ono de o immune to it. Entumi nya no. Doctors nyina was that nti. Say nuane aye kan, we no gusu a very important grapes no. Grapes no. Grapes no. Chemical bi omu. A friend of resveratrol. Sa chemical sa resveratrol no wo grapes mu no eno so yama akoma no papa
na say your point ya obi anko
strawberry very very good into always say we share screen no so a over bibi to say bell pepper no a eno so vitamin C won bebre ena afi lemons ne limes ni nyina ye my heart no
into we ya okekan nyina no ye obi a wanya bi na o so odi ana the only be no so
for preventing.
Okay.
And as only being so no bomodi e dey solve. Okay. Inti e ko both ways. What they prevent now they solve.
Okay. Kennedy Che Dakwa so Facebook Fiata Maklodoria beto was a great topic and discussion. More lessons learned. Our health is the key to our daily lives. Keep it up. Then I said, dog, no more thumbs up no. Say topic in your discussion and so yeah. That's a pa Ken.
Yeah, inti if you have screen no so. Sanyema was nyina you very good for us. Maybe to say
pineapple. Fa besisi ha na ewi a ye di ne preko.
Oh, mate.
Na wo ma na ye mfoni sa de na wo han. Say ye condom so ye nya.
Afia mate. So, eni nyina very good SED. So your fruits no any vegetables no grains are very important.
Okay.
Maybe to say beans. Say no dia to so amai. Afia research across was awe no mu no e does we papa.
Hey, say do e dey nkwan me hu bia che o.
Very good.
Bia che.
Papa. E boa ema emoja no kokama bientri no mu e wo fiber kama into yi cholesterol.
O de ye nkwan na ye.
O de ye nkwan yes. Still have fiber no wo. Okay. So in the fiber we say different kinds of beans when you na bi ho lentil and
red ni white ni me hu
ni nyina
na ba bi dey asa atadwe
dey here
dey wo
dey your friend gabanzo ebi organa oh me di bi cry abomusi me fridge mu gabanzo
do nkwa na office onyini che
oh say
go say when you ase wo gina ho ne me pre Imanu ujina ho ase wonu anyini se. Oh.
So black beans.
No, me see ya bremi
kidney beans. Sa beans ahoro ni nyina ye. Ase se edi.
Na ne di ne dey say nti yakwa na ase say.
There was a
satadwen.
Yeah, friend chickpea and garbanzo beans. Garbanzo and chickpea.
Utimi the ye beans stew.
Utimi the ye beans stew, utimi the ye bibia and ye beans. Aye papa.
So one way near dear.
That no problem no. And a folic acid be wom folate pea wom a boni peduano. A boni.
Me pesi e be phone lines no. Na ya hwefo na ye tiefo yi. Enso for mo adwenkyere mra. Na ade apa doctor e ka no obi na abe ka ne de no doctor pani abe ka na experience anko wa yesterday ka ba na de ni baby anko na
if you want be ba
but mama announce phone line
okay announce
0302 211 701 702 and 703 and 704 0302 211 701 702 703 and 704 so free na de chere wadwen question bi a memusa ya onso utumi de ba
yeah twe for stress no yes stress man nko form abufu wo Ghana form
so bottom no my dry
abufu ba and also so the hypertension neba what happens ne say bra obuofu anasa stress no ekosro no uchichi nsuo bi ewo ni pedua mu friend stress hormones no
mama fa do bia online so
okay fine
ado bia nyumre ya mo adwo ba Nkwa Hia so
mejo sister
ya da se wa ma bo na ni wanim na wo hwe Nkwa Hia yenti
me kasa film kokko ne mejo sister me kasa film kokko ne ayi asam na doctor ne ka no ya pa and sometimes so our listen so
kafra but I'm say we're making a point ono so dia ware sem ho wahala ba mu no so distress ba ma hypertension enti so fra na wallow TV no volume no ohun be ya nkomo no be flow kama sister Mercy anwumre ye mo adwo
ye no ma
yo now free here anwumre
ba je me free
Cape yo yenti o mame
ma ba je ho aye so papa
me da se pa mi hu de ba mi gidi so page 1 ya bra na mfa nko Hawaii
Mpacha machi me sanga ba tele bi ga to ti me sanga me teacher ma
me da se yenti o
yo ende ma sinsi munyuma pa mundi na me dizaga say obi nyani bi ayendi ni nyendi nyani sa na wo hwa yedi be gwan nyani na me yendi
okay ene waka no bia wan hya se ntie ba wo hwede mfonyi na eba ni nyina na o se enu yedi ye one way ne doso eni ohiachi eni banku anopa wia na enwumre so no asesem kakra eda se papa pa sound so free Bridget ene de ma no LED chat no Bridget enwumre ye moajo
hello
yes Bridget ye moajo enwumre
hello
obre wonte yanka
hello
Paul hwena ye ne line ni ye ma no na onte e de eto nka wa ha pa na ne menchia Bridget asiedu me mate is what the Mrs. Bridget Amwati nti Nyankopon hwa na nyame ya adom a ene week pepepe me a me dofo me nua me Fred ewu a chamaten e kwa kope ne krabre Nyankopon cheche abusua ni nyina awre ya pa na bre no dru ama me ye beba ho ne abeta abusua ndechi na me de nyame fa crancy me another caller mama esi anwure yi ye moajo yo mama free he
Eba se me free
takwa for mu ya ade pa onyame hira pa ye ntie we
Eba cha me pele mbi sa doctor den me wo me first born na mo 26 years me wo no 2 weeks na me nya etipai bi me ko hospital what GP ti doctor bi sam de mi say no na mo BP na me sidadi na o ma medru asi to work on ma me ko hospital wo check up the man and Nadia Bawo 3 akahu. They will go to the 4 no 1 year. Na anapano so ni with the Maya ha. Na ho me se no ko what movie. Tin pa dem bisa me beat no. O tu me kwa na wasan aba. E na no so mo wa me hu bibi ada bia. Na akoma ye ni hwimhwim ana me hu ye bibi. Tin pa dem bisa na beat na nye tu me ko na samba na.
Okay. Na abusuan wo pe na wo experience we. Okay, dog beboa why? I mean Felidi and so ahoma no so. Mama Lee anwumre ye moajo.
Ya ni o sister me di Lydia. Me ka se fit tamale.
Tamale fo hu ye de.
Ya me adum.
Ya da se papa so age breshe ye ntie we.
Me pato na be se me bisa doctor say. For do no won say ye wo local one. And ye wo dia ya o mo free amano ne ban. Tin pese me hu say local one na ye man ya na say ade ye kraba na ye.
Okay, yo dog be ya no amount me da se papa pa. And no commentary no na yafko na me ye hunu pefi say me ma ni nyina ehwe ball no. Na nyambo next week me che be ma bia wa ahoma no so ade am de be ya mu no. Ye da se na obi so ba ahoma no so na ano anwumre ye mu ajo.
Mejo.
Na free he.
Me fa sha me free bawe.
Bawe, yenti o sister.
Me fa sure every me che discussions in our home. But me ye
positive. Now me line na drop you. Anye antimi anyina so papa. Dog. Antimi anyina so ba Lydia na pese ye mfa ma me aside no. Or at the age of 26 or 9. Iti pai no. It me ba it me ko.
Well, you will be a friend gestational hypertension. A painful or ninsa and a bonibi, but on ninsa.
Okay.
Under normal circumstances, Umudiano, Yan call we are a circle. But blue how be we know. I saw a cassia. Until then we are ni no di no di.
Bisan of feather say,
yeah,
or woo yen no difference, the mood draw no.
Yeah, to go no I cassia. Now my hypertension about bets now. And a day life no one can say it to me.
Maybe on exercise.
Yeah, on exercise.
I think I'm a bisa way.
Ebi obet me afraid tree na ya bisa no mo.
Se odo number ne to hwa ya na timi aboa. Na banana na ye kan ye no na sister Lydia ebisa. Local na say foreign na.
Oh, banana is banana. Banana bia kwadu bia e kwadu. the weather local na foreign potassium no ewu ma wo de betumi akọ
okay na your first call adobia no pese o kan aware mu ade so wo kan pressure no
ya bufu
no ka say
aware for say yema bufu no nkofom because bufu a na uchichi nsuo bi sansu na uchichi no ema intri no ye constricted intri na moja fam no ne mu ache ti moja ntumi fam
o se bufu no bia be 30 minutes bi de enye nkosi problem
30 minutes a dose
bia be 20 minutes bi na bufu
na say 10 minutes na echina 10 minutes ade che 10 minutes
to so sa de enye but ene nkwa 10 de enye
yen sere good.
Okay.
Obe so control hypertension. Ade ba ko pese o ye ne se obamu ani age.
Ade bia arowo ho kra na wo
so sere na mu ani gi yes. So ani gi a intrin mu biebie na mo je fam kama science emi ani nye. Ena nuane no.
Messi wa homa ne so memfa no. Messi anwumre ye mu ajo. Messi.
Yes, sister.
Takwa no wasa free.
Me kasa friko fodia.
Oh yo, kafra. Mama yentie wai.
Me pacho me di anti-mercy, me friko fodia. Na na me pese bi bisa doctor say. So obi na cholesterol no a. Obi unya cholesterol ewo aduan ya wudi ansa na ebe ma wo atowa na.
Ai, anti-mercy dog be ya no, odi kan bi.
Udi a me pacho ka doctor ntimi mo aduan me enu me bi ya betumi ayi na free one tentem.
Ate da be ya no ma yeda se papa Anastasia e wa homa no so Anastasia nyumre ye mo ajo
ya no sir
yo na free mankesim yentie we Anastasia yentie wo aha
gidi sir
Anastasia ye be you free so low TV no na yenkasa o phone no so why
na me pese bi so doctor say na me bi le pesa me bisa doctor. Le pesa me bisa doctor say. Obo fruit bidi. Obo Spanish. I'm pesa me na me fruit ban.
Okay, you dog be yano. Ya da say yemfa course ni si ha. Yemfa Harriet na Harry. Oye bema Harry anwumre ye moajo no bema ba ko ye nya wo
me tada pa na me frère ko me say o ka say football na me su bi ka kra nya me say
okay yeah that's it yeti
me pa cho we ende ya na pa experience ya me nya asa me da story na me na let no I am mystery kakra but kakra it was around early morning 6 o'clock na me sorry I got me na nya na me ti e bit me I sense dia baby say attention and I say this
okay yo dog be ya no dia ma why but and then the first time I experience we
me say
and I wa drink she dan ko so
me say that experience this other when the first time
na wani so ya wani su bia nya o wisi bia
that me okay sometimes me feel busy kapra
Mate, dog be ya no be boa why?
Nyanga so na ya me stress me hu so kakra.
We are victim. Oh, nti the amount stress o worry.
But am worry.
The amount stress hu bebre nti so. Na ye nya ne kakra bufu emfiri ho. Na obra no adwo ho me chale. Nya sa obewu agya ho. So nti pressure ndie wo bia so but wo ho anu atu bia gu. Ba dog so be boa o. Ye da se papa se wa frɛ. Ye mfa calls no esi ebre no aswa no hwan kra ayi antimesi kofo edua cholesterol no se na aduane ba ko mienu se betu afiri osisi ama no
aduane a
eso die
fiber wo mu bia eye nti otwitwa carrots twitwa cucumber twitwa green pepper no de salad bia no awe na aboa no afi kwadu fruits ni nyina so fiber ewo mu ena ye ka pe se no so ye na unse me ka se tro nnuane to abrofo nkaten me kan ye se tro to e be ka ho asem abrofo nkaten no nut ni nyina so ye ma hat no
e de me hu abrofo nkate a che o
sa won hwehwe
na me ko hu wa nkra hey
nti nut no oh afia ena wo ho no ye wo cashew nut
na cashew nut no yetoto ana nza na
ebe wa omuche na obetimi nso awe no raw but the market no do na bo nso ma roast no mde nchine go mento de nchine go ho no is a hypertension no nchine die pi nso eka ho yeah inti nut ni nyina nso ye very good ye wa atadwe
ne ndu emre mitu
ye wo kube
sa atadwe de kube nso sa
kube
so mo wi na no kube nso na aduane no
aduane ne
ye fia ha de o ma fa no work up ano pa bia
ye very good okay inti nut ni nyina so ye omega 3 fatty acids no wo mu a eboa heart na eboa
okay ba kube no ye nom no empty stomach na ye anase ye didie no
ye nom kube ye very good kube nsuo
aso nom no empty stomach ya na aso ho yo basa bi
inti nuane we ya ye de agusuo no so
brodo na da mu yo
brodo no the wheat one the wheat no na ye so no na ye na ya ma fish ni meat ni cheese ni eggs ni sanema no akofom kakra ni ama nut ni ama nut no ni sanema no
mu ye ba emrafo so de ato so ye
obi a o cholesterol bi a he sanema we nmu ye
okay
because we nbe ma cholesterol no akostro
hinti apese cholesterol wo so ne de kosua ne
milk ni cheese ni sanema
ba ye ma ye nimu no so ye prevent ye ni kakra
don't build it because it builds with time.
Ano.
Inti member di ade no.
Do fa number no mo na. Kofo aye word o mo pe. O number no.
05 00 44 44 22.
Okay.
02 42.
Another one. 0242
93 84 21.
Okay. Sesi subiem na
05 00 44 44 22.
Okay.
0242 93 84 21. Now, if you are time now, so exercise. Yeah, papa.
Yeah, papa. So exercise. Okay. Skipping you okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna boss skipping. Better to cray.
Oh yes, yeah. A boama who produce nitric oxide. Maybe be in trim.
You don't mean cover be out or to skipping maybe. Who fear 30 and opinion remember.
Now nonsense way, yeah.
And maybe I know when you're the skipping corner.
And skipping no, yeah, na. Winning crappy and yama because pressure and about put to Venus. So one we are young good dear. Ultimate boskepin, but when you be a young yeah.
Dr. Benjamin Nuakon and then Bray, Wabba Boy, actually, dear Bray, we did say was Swan, dear, don't want me and for about West Swan. The number no son of the 2 Miss Stroll 0500444422. Muntiana Monfred Doctor. But men yet upon our phone, so ya kono na kwadi nuane ne nefa kofi bu ana onim okono wo no a na ye neguo no aton de amount se obeji wo phone so no so unti frɛ no more direction no na kono wo free Prince Emmanuel Clinic na ebeboaye me de afia mankwa tamaklofasida no ma thanks to you computer clinic kanajo mosquito call ye do mo se page 1 me da was papa pasaro pare han Priscilla Anaman sanso Imasian ne Paul ene Eugenia Bedi no na ye makeup yi kama edema me obi a PRO ne hwan Frank Asempa ene light ne sound obi a Nyankopon ihwam da se ne nkwane ahode ho a ye be hia